How to download Fortnite on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Fortnite in your PC. So let's get started. First, open up a web browser and search for Fortnite download. After you do that, you will see the Epic Games website here. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll get redirected here. Now you will need to have a Fortnite or that is Epic Games account. So let's move on with this. Go to continue. And after you do that, you will see this Fortnite. Now all you need to do is tap on get. You'll see the game is free. So tap on get, and after you tap on get, you'll get redirected here. Now, as I said before, you will need to have an Epic Games account. Now you can create an account or you can simply just connect your Google account with your Epic Games. So I'll just do that. Now accept the terms and conditions, that is the user license agreement. Now you have created the account. Now you can get or you can download your Fortnite and it's really easy. So let's wait till this loads here. After you place an order, you should receive an option. So as you can see right here, please do not close the window. And there, as you can see right here, now there is download launcher option. You'll need to download your launcher. So download it, and it might take some time to download. It depends in your internet speed. So let's get back after we download that. So after you've downloaded the launcher, you can head over there and open it up. Simply tap on the file. You can head over to the file location too. Now, as you can see, it's preparing to install. Now, as you can see right here, now you can just set this up, tap on install. And after you tap on install, you might need to give it permission. Give it permission, and after you give it permission, it will start doing its thing. Now, after the installation process, you will notice that the Epic Game Launcher icon will appear in your desktop. Now, all you need to do is open this up. Now, since you did create an account earlier, you can just log in if it asks. So after the setting up ends, you'll need to log in again. Now here you'll also have the same options that you had on the website. So I'll just head over to the Google option. Now after you're on the Epic Games launcher, what you'll need to do is you'll need to search for Fortnite. So let us search for Fortnite and hit enter. Now here you will find Fortnite. As you can see, it's a free game as we did earlier. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to install it. So the process is really similar to the one that we did on the website. So tap on get, and after you tap on get, this page should open up. Now as you can see right here, this is my product number. Now I place my number. Now I can go to my library to check out Fortnite. Now all you need to do is install this, and after it installs, you can open it up to play it. Again, accept the user agreement. And yeah, now it's getting installed and you can play it after it gets installed. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.